Let me record. So the first thing that you need to do here is you need to create a suspense account. Where exactly you will post this suspense account? You will post it at the liability side. So you will put a note. At the note means where exactly you will write the note. See, if my screen is shared to you all, at the end I will write one note. And what I'm writing? Suspense account is being posted. Suspense account, rather than let me just make, is created and posted. Add created and posted at the liability side, the balance sheet. So what I have written here, suspense account is created as well as posted at the liability side of the balance sheet. Is it clear to you all what you have to do in such cases? Okay. And what is the amount? It is 1 lakh rupees. Are you all clear so far? Are you all clear so far? Now,
Yes,
the
sir.
next question is, where exactly you will post this suspense account? That would be another question that would raise in your mind. What exactly we should do with this suspense account, sir? We understood that it has to be at liability side. We also understood that it is suspense account. We also understood the amount, that is 1,000. But what should be? Should we consider it as secured loan, unsecured loan? What should we consider? Now, in that case, you have a liberty in order to presume anything. But I will not give you all liberty. I will teach you one thing and you have to follow that thing. In our case, when we write suspense account, okay, then in that case, you will post it as what? This suspense account, see, I will write another note. Suspense is suspense account is treated as treated as, what should I consider it as? Treated as short term loan. Short term loan. Okay. So it will be a part of working capital, and under working capital, it will be a part of current liability, and under current liability, it will be a part of quick liability. So have you understood why MK Gandhi was not, MK Limited, why MK Limited balance sheet was not getting tallied? Because they have not shown an entry which was actually a short-term loan, which is a part of quick liability, shown under working capital, current liability, quick liability. Have you understood? So in case, if you see, now similarly, what if you see suspense account has to be made for asset? You will make the same assumption. What would be the assumption? That ki chalo, suspense account has to be created created and posted at the asset side of the balance sheet. Suspense account is treated as short term loan. Again, you will also presume that it is short-term loan and advances, because short-term loan and advances can be at the debit side as well as at the credit side. When you say short-term loan is at the liability side, means you have taken loan. But when you say short-term loan is at asset side, it means you have given loan to someone. Are you all clear why I am presuming? अगर क्वेश्चन ने साफ साफ बोला है क्या करना है, इट्स ओके. अगर क्वेश्चन ने कुछ नहीं बोला है, द वे इट वाज इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. Please reply me yes, no, something.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, Poonam, you have said right. So, means I'm not talking about the one who replied me through mic. I'm talking about the person. Poonam has replied through chat, and she's telling, sir, it is like we are presuming. Yes, we are presuming, we are assuming it. Okay. So, but not to forget to write this note. Now life is simple, life is easy, not to think, not to worry about it. I have given you the toughest question that you can ever have. Okay, एग्जाम्स में ऐसे हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं, whatsoever it is, लेकिन अगर टफ हुआ तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा यही टफ होगा, and this is how to crack it. Okay, now let us see the question. Now I will see the question and I will quickly post it. Where is the question? I'm keeping the question in front of me. Question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, I need to be very quick now because I have only 10 minutes and Zoom will log me out after 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes, we have to solve this and look at the things. If you look at the things in question number 3, it is very much similar to what we have done in question number 2. एक तो equity share capital है, कितना है? 3 lakhs of rupees. So I will write equity share capital and I will write 3 lakhs. Okay. Then do they have preference shares? No, they do not have preference shares. If they do not have preference shares, not to write preference shares. Then they have forfeited shares. Forfeited shares, how much? 1,000 rupees. So I will write here 1 lakh rupees. So I will write 1 lakh rupees. Forfeited shares. Are you all following? Are you able to see the same questions that I'm looking at? If you are not able to see the question, then for you all, please see this question. Okay. I have reposted the question. Now the forfeited shares ke baad, when we have general reserve and then sinking fund reserve, then loan from banks. Forget about loan from banks as of now. See general reserve and sinking fund reserve right here. General reserve. Okay, I will write general reserve first. We do not need these two, capital redemption reserve या share reserve, because जो नहीं है वो नहीं है. So I have to write general reserve. What is general reserve? General reserve written here as 2 lakhs rupees. Please reply. Are you all with me? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Please reply yes, no, maybe, please.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now after general reserve, we have sinking fund reserve. Sinking fund reserve. Now, when I say sinking fund reserve, what is the amount of sinking fund reserve? It is 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. Sinking fund reserve 1 lakh. Then we have loan, bank loan from cooperative societies, and then public deposits. So I have to go down. See, loan from bank. Loan from, when I say loan from bank, it is secured loan from bank. How much the amount is? Loan from bank amount है 3 lakhs. So I will just write 3 lakhs. Then loan from cooperative societies. Even cooperative societies takes guarantee. So they are a part of secured loan. They are kind of financial institutions. Cooperative societies. But in question, it is given society. So write the way it is given in the question, not to think much about it. So 2 lakhs of rupees. Then what after that? What after that? We have public deposits. Public deposit is how much? Public deposit is given in the question 50,000. So we need to take 50. Oh. Public deposit. Public deposit 50,000. All right. Then what after this? We have creditors, trade payables, outstanding expenses. The moment you touch to the creditor, the moment you go to the working capital, the first thing that you should realize. So this time we have one entry, additional entry. What is the name of that entry? The name of that entry is suspense account. Okay, the suspense account has to be written at first. So make sure that you write suspense account. Otherwise, this suspense account I will give it a color, a red color, in order to understand or make you all understand that it is very important not to forget suspense account, which is 1 lakh of rupee. Are you all with me? Is it clear to you all so far? Please reply yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Please reply. कोई एक ही कम से कम yes बोल दो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now about creditors.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for so many years. Now, creditor. What is the amount of creditor? The amount of creditor is 50,000 rupees. All right. So it's done. Now, next is about trade payable. So I need to write trade payable. Creditors. Now you may say, sir, trade payable and creditors are almost same. Yes, they are same. But if MK Limited is making a separate account for that, so you don't have to question to this MK Limited. You also create the separate account, and your task is just to post the entry the way it is given. That's it. Don't try to do anything extra for them. Okay, so now outstanding expenses. Now they have just written outstanding expenses 25,000 again. So I will write 25,000 again. Now they haven't clarified key expenses kiska hai, so write the way it is given in the question. Just outstanding expense, then write only outstanding expense. Now, then what they have given? They have given provision for tax. Provision for tax. Now it is a kind of liability that we create, that is provision of tax. What is the amount of provision of tax? It is 50,000. Then please write 50,000. Okay, and then we have next thing, that is cash credits. What is the amount of cash credit? Cash credit is 80,000. Bank overdraft is 20,000. Now cash credit and bank overdraft is a part of non-quick liability. Okay, remember this. Okay, remember this. What you need to remember? You need to remember this point, that cash credit is 80,000 rupees and bank overdraft is 20,000 rupees. That's it. I have to write the way it is written. Okay. Now, what after that? What after that? Liability side is over, including the suspense account. Now we need to move on to the asset side. Now, when I talk about asset side, the first thing comes into mind is application of asset. Okay. under application of asset, we need to look after net fixed asset. In net fixed asset, they have given land and building. Okay, fine. Land and building, how much? 5 lakhs. So just we have to write this 5 lakhs. Then next, they have given furniture and fixtures, land, leasehold property. Okay, I have to write leasehold property. Leasehold property. What is the amount? It is given as 2 lakhs. So I would be writing 2 lakhs. Then furniture and fixtures given there. And what is the amount? 1 lakh. Written. Then patents. Now they are talking about intangible asset because patents and trademark are intangible assets. So I have to write patents. Then I have to write trademarks. I have to write the way it is given in the book. Okay, that is in the question. What is the amount of the patents? Patents is 50,000. Okay. And what is for trademark? Even trademark, it is 50,000. So that is what it is so far. Now, what next? We have, my system will automatically log me off. Yes, please say.
The copyright is left.
What you have to write?
So copyright account you did.
Copyright नहीं है ना? अच्छा copyright है क्या? Yes, copyright है. I wrote patents, trademark. Yes, I missed out copyright, so I have to also write copyright. Right. Let me also add copyright. Copyright. And what is the amount